One day, while the farmer was working in the field, his horse ran away. That evening, as the neighbors found out, they came to the farmer and said, "Oh, that's too bad." "Maybe," the farmer said. The next day, the horse came back and brought 7 wild horses with him. All the neighbors came to his house again and said, "That's great." And the farmer again said, "Maybe." The following day, the farmer's son rode one of the wild horses, trying to tame him. But the horse threw him away, and the young guy broke his leg. Again, the neighbors came around to the farmer and said, "That's too bad." "Maybe," again said the farmer. The day after that, the conscription officers came to the farmer's property looking for new candidates for the army. The farmer's son was laying in the bed. They didn't recruit the young man because his leg was broken. That evening, all the neighbors came around to the farmer's house and said, "Well, that's wonderful, isn't it?" And the farmer again said, "Maybe." My dear beautiful subscribers, from the story, now you see, it all started with the farmer's horse that ran away. Could he predict the loss of the horse or save his son from going to the war? Not really. The farmer knows life consists of both good and bad moments. They are interconnected. You never know what the outcome will be. Therefore, the farmer doesn't want to anticipate. He accepts what is happening without judgment. In our life, things happening every day. It's probably a good thing or a bad thing, but the real thing is how we react to the event. If we just accept the event, whether it is good or bad, our life would become more stress-free and we would live a truly happy life. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please share this video and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching once again. Stay blessed and stay motivated.